In this video, I'll show you bookmarks in Fabric Plan. A bookmark saves the current state of a page or visual. I'll walk through 6 ways to use bookmarks. Starting with Save State. Open the Bookmark pane from the Feature tab. I'll save the default state first. I'll call this Overview. I'll apply a filter, then save this as a bookmark. I'll call it Region LATAM. Switch between bookmarks to test it. Bookmarks can also capture chart-level properties. I've sorted this chart to the top 5 products, with remaining categories as Others. I'll save a bookmark scoped to just this visual, calling it Top 5. Now I will expand to Others, and then save this as a new bookmark. Clicking these bookmarks changes just the chart, back to Top 5, and back to Others. Next, use Spotlight a chart. I will click Spotlight on this chart. It brings the visual forward and dims the rest of the page. I will update this in the same bookmark. This bookmark now expands Others as well as spotlights the tree map. For the next bookmark use, I will create a callout tooltip. If you click it, it will overlay your report with informative tooltips. I will enable the overlay image and save that as a bookmark, calling it Show Tooltip. Next, I will repeat the same where I hide the overlay and create a bookmark. I will use these bookmarks and trigger them with a button. Click the button to show the tooltip and click again to hide. I have several bookmarks saved now. Use Bookmark View to present them. It plays each bookmark state in sequence, ideal for presentations. Next use is Bookmark Navigation. I have 2 sets of bookmarks. I will group the relevant ones together and add the Bookmark Navigator on the canvas with the same group. That's it. Users can easily interact with all relevant bookmarks. Now, in Reading View, this is what a reader sees. They can drill down in the report and save their own private bookmark, visible only to them. And they can share it with anyone in Teams by copying the link. Paste in chat and send. It's that easy. That's bookmarks in Fabric Plan. Save states, show tooltip, a canvas navigator, a view mode, and private bookmarks created by readers with shareable links, all from the same dashboard.